Now that we are open with the borders, Goa is getting a lot of COVID positive cases, and as you are aware that COVID hospital which has been identified in South Goa, the bed capacity of this hospital has been now increased to 170, and it has still more capacity building space there. And on behalf of Goa Medical College and all the people of Goa, I would like to thank Honorable Health Minister for such a quick decision, and our respected Health Secretary, Dynamic Health Secretary, who has taken this decision to logical end. And nevertheless, the team of GMC posted in COVID hospital and other staff of COVID hospital who are working tirelessly to see that Goa remains safe with these 42 positive cases, as a result of which there is no danger to the life of these positive patients. All these patients are stable and they are being managed very well. I would also like to give you a word of precaution. Since now the lockdown rules have been relaxed, everybody should also have a belief in a civic sense and believe in social distancing. In Goa Medical College, we have already put tents outside the OPDs to create less of crowding in the main OPDs, and we release in batches of 10 patients every half an hour. This is really helping our patients, whereas in general public and in society, I would also request all the public to be wearing mask in crowded places and try to maintain social distancing. I know it requires a lot of patience to maintain social distancing because nobody likes to be in a queue, but this small patience and then little bit of civic sense will really keep us safe and stop community spread of the corona disease.